morning, my dear kids. Today we have to cover Unit 4 and Day 6. Okay. In the last class, we learnt some beginning sounds, right? Did you remember, Kutima? Yes. Today I will introduce some beginning sounds. Okay. Now all of you take your SR book. I will give you 5 seconds time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. I hope you all are opened your books. Now I will play one video. Okay. You will listen carefully.
Let us practice some beginning sounds. Kind king, k, k, k. Kind king, k, k, k. Quiet queen, qu, qu, qu. Quiet queen, qu, qu, qu. Violent van, violent van. Violent van, violent van. Fix, mix, fix, mix. Fix, mix, fix, mix. Yellow yo-yo, yellow yo-yo, yeah. Yellow yo-yo, yellow yo-yo, yeah. Zooming zebra, zooming zebra. Zooming zebra, zooming zebra.
Now, my dear children, again I will play the video. You also sing along this time. Shall I play, Kutima? Yes.
Practice some beginning sounds. Kind
King, kind king, k, k, k. Kind king, k, k, k.
quiet queen,
Quiet queen, quack, quack, quack. Quiet queen, quack, quack, quack. Violent van, v, v. Violent van, v, v.
Fix,
Mix, mix.
yellow,
Yellow, yeah. Yellow, yeah.
zooming zebra,
Zooming zebra. Now, open your SR book, right? Now, I will sing the song. You also repeat along that, okay? Kind king, ka, ka, ka. Kind king, ka, ka, ka. Can you repeat along with me? Kind king, ka, ka, ka. Quiet queen, quack, quack, quack. Quiet queen, quack, quack, quack. Violet van, v, v, v. Violet van, v, v, v. Can you repeat along with me? Yeah. Violet van, v, v, v. Fix, mix. Fix, mix. Yellow yo-yo, yeah. Yellow yo-yo, yeah. Zooming zebra, zzz, zzz. Zooming zebra, zzz. So, my dear children, you also sing this sounds like that, okay, in your home. Great, my dear children. Now you have to open your worksheet. Worksheet 10. Okay. I will give you 5 seconds time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. I hope you and all opened your worksheet. Now we will do the worksheet 10 question number 1 Kutima. See the question. Circle the picture with the odd beginning sound. My dear kids, what is the meaning of odd? It means different. Okay. See here. In the first row, you have to see 4 pictures, right? You will circle the pictures that have the odd. Okay. See here. Had, hat, hat. What is the beginning sound of hat? Ha, ha, right? Then second one, ties, dice. What is the beginning sound of ties? D, d. Okay, next one. What picture? Dog, dog. What is the beginning sound of dog? D, d. Right? The next one, deer, deer. What is the beginning sound of deer? D, d. So in this first line, which one is the odd beginning sound, Kutima? Can you say? Yeah, hat, hat, ha. Right? You have to circle the picture, hat. Shall we move to the next one? Yeah, great, my dear kids. Bat, bat. What is the beginning sound of bat? B, b. The next picture, umbrella. What is the beginning sound of umbrella? A, a. The next one, bag, bag. What is the beginning sound of bag? B, b. Right? The last picture, beer. What is the beginning sound of beer? B, b. So in the second row, which one is the odd beginning sound, Kutima? Can you find out? Yeah. Which one? Yeah, umbrella. A, a. You have to circle a. Umbrella. Right? Shall we move to the next question? See. See here. Star. Star. S, s, okay. Jug. J. J. What is the beginning sound? J. Right? The next one. Sun. Sun. What is the beginning sound? S, s, right? Sofa. Sofa. What is the beginning sound of sofa? S. Okay, which one is the odd one picture? Odd beginning sound? Yeah, second one, jug. You have to circle jug. The last D one. What picture? Insect. What is the beginning sound? E. E. Next. First one, insect. E. E. Right? The next one, injection. Injection. What is the beginning sound? E. E. Right? The leg. What is the beginning sound? L. Then India. What is the beginning sound? E. E. So which one is the odd picture, odd beginning sound, Kutima? Leg, ill. You have to circle leg. Okay? For this worksheet, you have to done your home, right? So my dear children, next I will teach you a whole words. What is that, ma? Whole words. Today we will be learning 5 whole words. 5 new whole words. Shall you show? Shall I show, Kutima? Great. See here, Kutima. Keep your finger left to right. You already know that. So see this new one. Has. 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 Can you repeat along with me? Has. Has. Great, my dear children. When. 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 Can you repeat along with me? When. when, which means எப்பொழுது, when, okay? Can you repeat along with me? When. Shall I move to the next whole word? Yes. Away, away. Can you repeat along with me? Away, away, away. Okay. Does, does, does. Can you repeat along with me? Does. Here, here, here only, here. She is here. Okay, here. Can you repeat along with me? Here. Again, I recall the whole words, Kutima. Has, has. When, away, away. Does, the last one, here, here. Now I will show one slide. Read aloud the whole words, right? Has. What is that? Has. Priya has a dog named Bruno. Priya has a dog named Bruno. She has a cat named Kitty. She has a cat named Kitty. What is this whole word, Kutima? Do you remember? When Priya eats, Bruno eats. When Priya eats, Bruno eats. When Priya plays, Bruno plays. When Priya plays, Bruno plays. Away. Go away, Bruno. Go away, Bruno. Take the dog away. Take the dog away. What is this whole word, Kutima? Does. Bruno does not sleep. Bruno does not sleep. Why does he not sleep? Why does he not sleep? Here. Come here, Bruno. Come here, Bruno. Come here, play with me. Come here, play with me. Great, my dear children. Now you will open your worksheet. Worksheet 10. I will give you 5 seconds time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Question number 2. Whole words. Color the words provided below. See here. Today I thought 5 whole words, right? Do you remember, Kutima? Yes. Has, here, when, away and does, right? So for these whole words you have to color. This is your homework. Okay? Great, my dear children. Next I will teach you a reading and listening comprehension. In that last class we learnt sequencing, right? What is meaning by sequencing? Sequencing means to put things in the correct order, right? Just like the activities in a day go in a sequencing, right? Now you have to open your SR book, SR 10. Okay? See here, Kutima, sequencing. Sequencing means put things in the correct order. See here having 3 pictures. This girl want to brush her teeth, right? What she do first? What she does first? Take a brush and paste, right? See the next one, what she is doing? Apply the paste to the brush, right? After that, she is brushing. She brushes her teeth, right? So, this and all the daily routines, right? Sequences means putting things in correct order, right? Can you tell one sequencing in your daily life, Kutima? Yeah, very good. Great, my dear children. Now, open your SR book, SR 8, okay? I will give you 5 seconds time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. So, this is the story, Kutima. Priya and Bruno. Priya and Bruno. See here. She is a Priya, then her dog, Bruno. Okay. Who is the author, Kutima? See here. Kamal Ramachandani. Kamal Ramachandani. Illustrator Girdi Benha. Okay. See the first page. See here. Priya has a dog named Bruno. Priya has a dog named Bruno. Priya has a dog named Bruno. Shall I read the next page? See here. See the picture. They are eating, right? When Priya eats, Bruno eats. When Priya eats, Bruno also eats. When Priya eats, Bruno eats. Shall I go to the next page? Go away, Bruno. Go away. Go away, Bruno. Go away. Go away, Bruno. Go away. Shall I go to the next page? Yes. See here. What they are doing? Playing, right? When Priya plays, Bruno plays. When Priya plays, Bruno plays. When Priya plays, Bruno plays. Shall I read the next page? Yes. Go away, Bruno. Go away, Bruno. Go away. Go away, Bruno. Go away. When Priya sleeps, Bruno does not sleep. When Priya sleeps, Bruno does not sleep, right? When Priya sleeps, Bruno does not sleep. When Priya sleeps, Bruno does not sleep. Come here, Bruno. Come here, Bruno. Come here, Bruno. Take next page, Kutima. Bruno sleep with Priya. Bruno sleeps with Priya. See here. Bruno sleeps with Priya. Again, I read the story and ask some questions, right? Priya and Bruno. Priya has a dog named Bruno. What is the name of Priya's dog, Kutima? Yeah, very good, Bruno. What did Priya do first? See here. She was eating food. Okay. What did Priya do next? She was playing with her toys. She was playing with her toys. For this, what does Bruno do when Priya sleeps? Bruno does not sleep when Priya sleeps, right? At last, my dear children, what did Priya do last? Yeah, she was sleeping with Bruno. Do you know that? Yes. Now, I will show you one slide, okay? We read the story, right? What picture is this? Dog. Dog. Then this one, Kutima, what they are doing? Sleep. Sleep. Then here, play. Play. So see here, Kutima, this is the vocabulary words. Did you know that? Dog, sleep, play, okay? In your SR book, you have to point the vocabulary words. Point this vocabulary words, okay? Great, my dear children. We learned that story, right? Now I will show you one slide, okay? See here, Kutima. Cut and paste the pictures in sequence. Sequences means putting things in correct order, right? We read the story, no, right? See here. First picture, sleeping. Priya and Bruno sleeping. The next one, Priya and Bruno eating, right? Then the third one, plays. Priya and Bruno are playing, right? So, you know that story, right? Which one comes first, Kutima? For this three, can you say? Did you remember, Kutima? Did you remember the story? See here. Yeah. See here, first one. Which one is the first one? Yeah, eat. The second one? Can you say? Did you remember, Kutima? Which one, sleep or play? Yeah, play. Which one is the third one? Sleep. Very good, my dear children. See here, this is the first one. Then this is the second one. Then sleep is the third one. Now, my dear children, you will open your worksheet. Worksheet 14. Okay? See here, cut and paste the pictures in sequence. We saw that, right? Slide. You have to cut and paste. Which one is the first one? Did you remember, Kutima? Yeah, this is the first one. You have to cut and paste here. The second one, plays. Right? Third one, sleep. So for this worksheet, you have to do in your home. Cut and paste the pictures in sequence. Okay? Now, I will teach you a writing and speaking expression. I will show one video. Okay? Listen carefully, Kutima.
Hello students, let us see how to do actions while speaking. This is me. This is me. I have packed food. I have packed food. I am going for a picnic. I am going for a picnic. Thank you.
Did you see that video, Kutima? Yeah, how to do actions while speaking. Right? The first one. This is dash. This is dash. What will come here? Yeah, this is me. This is me. The second one, I have packed food. I have packed food, right? Next, I am going to a picnic. I am going to a picnic. See here, Kutima. This is me. This is me. The second one, I have packed food. Food. The third one, I am going to a picnic. Right? Now you have to open your worksheet. Worksheet 5, Kutima. I'll give you 5 seconds time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. So my dear children, in your worksheet, you have to fill your question number 1, right? This drawing, right? So my dear parents, for this worksheet, you want to ask your children some questions. You will ask your kids some questions, right? Shall I say one model questions? Hi Sadhana. Say about your drawings, Sadhana. Yes, mommy. This is me. This is me. I packed apple. I packed apple. I am going for a picnic, mummy. I am going for a picnic. Okay, this like you want to say your mummy. Okay, Kutima. So my dear children, today we learnt some new phonics beginning sounds, right? And after we learnt some new whole words. Did you remember, Kutima? Yeah, has, when, does, away and here, right? Then we read the story Priya and Bruno. Then what is the meaning of sequencing, right? And also learned some vocabulary words, right? Now my dear children, in your home read the story Priya and Bruno from SR8, right? Tomorrow you will bring scissors and glue from your home, right? For the tomorrow's activities. Bye my dear children. Happy learning. Thank you.